Welcome back to the WHHI-TV Daily News. Well, cybersecurity is something that's on all of our minds these days, and TCL is here to help us with that, and here to talk to us about a workshop that's coming up is Melanie Gallion. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So we are talking cybersecurity, and you are offering a workshop. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, we're offering a workshop entitled Cybersecurity Essentials for Business Success. And the Technical College offers a free workshop every year, and this is just a service that we provide to our local businesses. And this year we decided to select cybersecurity, and that's because it's a very fast-growing career field in the country, and we've also just launched our associate degree in cybersecurity at the Technical College of the Lowcountry this spring.
Oh, that's exciting. And you're right. I mean, my goodness, it is so quickly growing because obviously everything is going so much more digital all the time, so security is really important. So tell us what exactly is going to be covered in the workshop and when it is.
Well, we know that businesses rely heavily on the use of information technology, and to run a day-to-day operation in their business, they want to know that their information is secure and safe. So we have a wonderful presenter, Angela Kern, who is our cybersecurity expert and instructor at the Technical College, and she will be presenting ways that we can identify major risks and what we can do to protect ourselves and our business.
I think that sounds fascinating and again, so timely. And so when is the workshop?
The workshop it's free and it's open to the public, and we actually have three, one in our Hampton campus, one in our Beaufort campus, and one at our New River campus. So the dates of the first one is March 22nd from 6 to 7:30 at our Beaufort campus. Then again, March the 27th from 6:30 to 8 at our Hampton campus, and March the 28th, 6:30 to 8 p.m. at the New River campus.
So lots of opportunity there for folks from all over the area to get this information. And you mentioned that it's free and it is open to the public. Does a person need to be a business owner, or really anybody can attend?
Anybody can attend. It's open.
And is registration required, or is it just come on in?
Yes, we actually would like you to register just so we would know the number of people coming in, and that is at www.tcl.edu/biz-u, and you just go there and register.
Okay. And is there a limit? I mean, would space maybe fill up?
We have about 30 is our limit at each one of the campuses, so hopefully we can get 30 people in there.
Yeah, absolutely. Get yourself registered so you make sure you hold on one of those spots. Well, Melanie, thank you for being here today. It sounds like a great workshop, and thank you for offering it to the community. We appreciate it. After a quick break, Bob Stevens shares all about this year's WingFest. Stay with us.